Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to expand a logarithm by using all the three properties we have learned. In this case it looks like we are going to use the power property and the product property. So let's go ahead and see how we're going to do that. What we have here is log base 3x squared times y cubed times z. And what we want to do is we want to rewrite this in expanded form. So the first thing we want to do is separate the factors. So our factors right now, the way you see it, we have an x squared times a y cubed times a z. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this as log with a base 3. Now each factor is going to get its own log with its own base 3. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to expand it as log x cubed plus log base 3 of y cubed plus log base 3 of z. So what I did right here, and I like to cross my z so it doesn't look like the number 2. So what I did right here is I took each factor. So the first factor is x squared, the second one is y cubed, and the third one is z. And I gave it its own log with its own base. So the property we just used is called the product property. And we have not fully expanded this because when we have the powers or the exponents, we want to make sure we bring that to the front of the log. So let's go ahead and see what we're going to do with the exponent. So right here, you can see that this x squared, I can bring the 2 to the front of this log, and I will bring the 3 to the front of its log. Now, it's important to first, when you expand, use the product property before you use the power property. So let's take a look to see how we're going to write that. So this is the power property. And we're just going to write that with the exponent in the front. So this is 2 times multiplying the log base 3 of x. And then I will bring the 3 to the front, so that will be plus 3 log base 3 of y. And then I will just rewrite the log base 3 of z. And this is pretty much the two properties used to expand this example.